Did you know that the Bible is one of the most translated and distributed books in the world? But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Today, we're diving deep into some incredible facts about the Bible that might just blow your mind. Whether you're a believer, a skeptic, or just curious, there's something in this ancient text that can surprise anyone. So, let's explore these fascinating insights together. 1. The structure of the Bible. First up, let's talk about the structure. The Bible isn't just one book, it's actually a collection of 66 books written over a span of about 1,500 years by more than 40 different authors. These authors came from diverse backgrounds, ranging from kings and prophets to fishermen and scholars. Just imagine the range of perspectives and experiences that shaped this monumental text. 2. The oldest texts. Did you know the oldest known biblical text is from the Book of Numbers? A small silver scroll, dating back to the 7th century BCE, was discovered in a tomb at a site called Ketef Hinnom near Jerusalem. It's incredible to think that some of these texts have endured over 2,600 years, connecting us to our ancient past. 3. The most quoted book. Let's talk about influence. The Bible is the most quoted book in history, inspiring countless works of art, literature, music, and even politics. From Shakespeare to Martin Luther King Jr., its themes of love, justice, and redemption continue to resonate in so many aspects of our world. For the astonishing variations, you might be surprised to learn that there are over 900 different versions of the Bible translated into English alone. From the King James to more contemporary translations like the Message, each version offers unique interpretations and brings the scriptures to life in different ways. So, which version speaks to you? 5. The mystery of the Apocrypha. Have you ever heard of the Apocrypha? These are a collection of ancient texts that some Christian traditions include in their versions of the Bible, while others do not. Books like Tobit and Judith provide insights into Jewish history and literature that many people might not be familiar with. The diversity of these writings adds layers to our understanding of faith and history. 6. Banned and challenged. Incredibly, the Bible has been banned and challenged throughout history. Various governments and authorities have attempted to restrict access to it, fearing its influence on society. This just goes to show how powerful this text is and why it has been both revered and contested throughout centuries. 7. Cultural richness. Consider this, the Bible has sparked countless languages and dialects. Many communities around the world have developed their languages as a result of translating biblical texts. The cultural impact of the Bible is not only about spiritual teaching, it's about preserving and enriching languages and traditions globally. 8. Remarkable predictions. Speaking of profound insights, the Bible is known for its remarkable prophecies. For instance, the book of Isaiah contains many predictions about Jesus Christ that scholars believe were made centuries before his birth. Isaiah 53 verse 5 prophesies, "But he was pierced for our transgressions, he was crushed for our iniquities, the punishment that brought us peace was on him, and by his wounds we are healed." This prediction adds to the Bible's credibility as a source of divine truth. 9. The most translated book. Next, here's an astonishing fact. The Bible is the most translated book in the world. It has been translated into over 3,000 languages. That's about 95% of the world's population. Aiming to make the word accessible to everyone, the translators have given countless people the opportunity to read the scripture in their mother tongue. In Psalms 119 verse 105, it says, "Your word is a lamp to my feet and a light for my path." It truly lights the way for millions around the globe. The Bible is an extraordinary compilation of texts with a rich history that intersects with art, culture, language, and spirituality. Whether you've read it cover to cover or have just heard a few stories, there's always more to discover. If you found these facts enlightening, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing insights. Also, share your favorite Bible fact or story in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep exploring and questioning the incredible world around you.